We have a 2013 Antonio Carraro TIGRONE 5500. This is another tractor on consignment. This is actually my consignment. 351 hours. It's a local consignment from a local blueberry farmer. This tractor was used for one specific reason only, because it could fit down blueberry rows. It's a nice, tight, narrow tractor, and they used it for spraying. That was it. They had about 4 or 5 sprays a year that they would do with this, and that's all the use this tractor got out of it. Another nice feature on this tractor, it had a different set of tires put on there. So when they got this tractor brand new, they took the tires off and then put a different set of rubber on there.
So these tires are like brand new, though.
These tires are brand new. Yeah, they put almost like a road style tire for going through the blueberry rows on it. If you've never been around one of these tractors, I used to be the dealer for one of these. They are super cool. They are low profile. They've got lots of power. You know, you're at a 48 horsepower tractor. It's got the shifting rate between your legs. They're a super tight turning radius tractor. You can spray with this tractor. You can use an agriculture tractor. You can pull big mowers behind it. You can put tillers behind it. It is an ag style tractor, but at 50 horse and a small compact size design.
And one thing I noticed when it pulled up, it looks like it's new.
It looks like it's
new. I thought it was a new tractor.
Yeah, it's been well kept. It must have been in the shed. A couple other things. It's 48 horsepower on a small frame, which is really big, but small. And then also, because it's a 2013, I believe this does not have emissions.
This does not have emissions.
And it's 48 horsepower.
Yeah. There is a local dealer for this in Washington State. So actually the North American distributor for Antonio Carraro is out of Washington State.
Yeah, you said we were the dealer, but you were the dealer at a previous life.
Yes,
we never were the dealer.
We never were. Washington Tractor was the dealer.
This tractor articulates, correct?
This does not.
Oh, no, this is a steering
This
one?
is a front steering.
Okay, front steering. Okay,
this is not one of the articulating Antonio Carraros.
Gotcha. Just clarifying.
These are very popular on this side, specifically because of narrow rows for blueberries. But they also use these over on the east side of the mountains, too, in the orchards.
And one of the big selling points, they're low to the ground, so they're stable on hills?
Very stable on the hills.
Okay.
Very low center of gravity.
Oh, cool.
27.5. This is one of those ones that's going to go pretty quick.
How much was that tractor new?
That's a $45,000+ tractor, brand new.
And the new ones have emissions.
The new ones, I believe, do have emissions on them, yes.
So this is a bonus. New tires, looks like new. If we were a dealer, someone would have parked it by the new ones.
12 forward, nice. 12 reverse gears. So this is kind of a unique tractor. You get all
fast.
That. Yeah, so real in a small horsepower tractor. So,
anyways, this tractor's pictured and priced on our website, skoltonsequipment.com. Check it out.